Hey guys, welcome to Delve and this is how to download more than one photo in Messenger. So guys, if you don't know, you cannot download multiple photos at once in a single Messenger chat. But guys, what you could try to do is just simply downloading them each individually. So guys, to show you that, just simply go ahead and open up the Messenger application. And now you can just simply go to the inbox that you have. And I have these two sample pictures over here. And from here, as you can see, you will only have the download icon. And now you can just simply swipe to the left to see the other pictures. And if you want to download this, you have to go to the top right corner to download it. And now, guys, you have to do them one by one. And remember that there are no limits to downloading photos in a Messenger, and you can download more than one photo by just simply downloading them individually. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.